A piece of wood fell into a river. The equation shown below can be used to determine the distance d in meters the piece of wood has floated down the river t minutes after it fell into the river. So d equals 11/5 or 11 over 5 t. Based on the equation, which statement is true? If we want to relate this to something we already know, this can also be related to the form y equals mx plus b. While I don't see a b here, we can always add 0 and it doesn't change our problem. So what we have there is realistically here our m, which in our original problem doesn't have an m, but the m is slope. And slope here is rise over run, but here it's worded a little differently. The slope is going to be the 11 over 5, and the number that the 11 represents here is the distance, which our units for distance here is meters, and the 5 is the time in minutes. So option A says the piece of wood will have floated a distance of 5 meters in 11 minutes. Well, right there, our units are out of order there. Part B states the piece of wood will have floated a distance of 11 in 5 minutes. That's the one that we want right there. So the answer there, multiple choice option B. And we can also think about it this way. While we don't have a graph, we can always create one or use one to our relation to the problem here. So again, when I originally made it y equals mx plus b, the y is realistically the distance, and the x value, or the t, was the time.